For exercise 2, complete the table below and draw the graph of each ellipse. For number 1, the given is vertices which is 5 and 0. And also the given is foci which is positive and negative 3 and 0. For the first row, which is LR and E, the LR is 32 over 5 and E is 3 over 5. The C is 0 and 0. Next is V sub 1 is 5 and 0 and V sub 2 is negative 5 and 0. For letter P, the B sub 1 is 0 and 4 and the B sub 2 is 0 and negative 4. For directrices is x is equal to 25 over 3 and also x is equal to negative 25 over 3. The endpoints are E sub 1 is equal to 3 and 16 over 5, E sub 2 is equal to 3 and negative 16 over 5, and E sub 3 is equal to negative 3 and 16 over 5. For SF, x squared over 25 plus y squared over 16 is equal to 1. And lastly, in GF, 16x squared plus 25y minus 400 is equal to 0. So this is the illustration for graph for number 1.
Sa number 2 sa table, given ang focus at ang locus. Kung gagamitin ang given para i-solve to gamit ang mga formula, makukuha na ang center ay naka-plate sa 0, 0. Ang vertices ay 0, positive and negative 15. Yung distance from the center to an end ay 10, square root of 2, and 0 at negative 10, square root of 2, at 0. Yung focus ay given, yung directrices ay 45 at negative 45. Yung endpoints niya ay 40 over 3 and 5 and 40 over 3 and negative 5 at negative 40 over 3 and 5 at 40 negative 40 over 3 and negative 5. Yung standard form naman ay y squared over 225 plus x squared over 200 equals to 1. Yung general form, 8y squared plus 9x squared minus 1,800 equals 0. Kapag clean up siya, so bali, ito yung center, 0, 0. Yung vertices niya ay positive and negative 15. 10, 20, 20. So, ganito siya pag clean up. Andito yung 15. Ito yung 15. Ayan yung mga vertices niya. And then ano lang, connect lang. Sa number 4, ganun lang din. Ang given naman ngayon ay yung standard form na x minus 2 squared over 4 plus y minus 4 squared over 4 equals to 1. So, sa standard form, makukuha na kaagad natin yung general form na x squared minus plus y squared minus 4x minus 8y plus 16 equals to 0. Yung locus niya, yung e ay 4. Yung e ay 0. At yung center niya ay 2. Naka-plate sa 2 and 4. Yung vertices, 4 and 4 at 0, 4. Yung distance from the center to the end ay 2, 6, and 2, 2. Ang focus ay 2, 4. Sa directrices, wala siyang directrices. So, NA. Ang endpoints, 2, 6, and 2, 2. Ngayon, kapag pinat siya sa graph, so, yung center niya ay 2, 4. Diba 2, 4? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. So, ito yung center niya, 2, 4. 2, 4. And yung vertices niya ay 4, 4, and 2, 4. 4, 4, and 2, 4, 4, and 0, 4. And yung distance from the center to one end ay 2, 6, 2, 6, at 2, 2. And then connect. Ganyan yung graph niya. Number 5. Given yung general form na x squared plus 2y squared plus 8y minus 30 equals 0. So, yung standard form nito ay x squared over 38 plus y plus 2 squared over 19 equals to 1. Yung locus and e ay square root of 38 at square root of 2 over 2. Yung center ay naka-plate sa 0 and negative 2. Yung vertices, negative ay square root of 38 and negative 2 at negative square root of 38 and negative 2. Yung distance from the center to an end ay 0 and negative 2 plus square root of 19 at 0, negative 2 minus square root of 19. Yung focus ay 19, negative 19, negative 2, square root of negative 19, and negative 2. Yung directrices naman niya, directrices ay 2 square root of 19 at negative 2 square root of 19. Yung endpoints square root of 19, negative 2 plus 32, square root of 32 over 2, square root of 19, negative 2 minus square root of 32 over 2, square root of negative 19, negative 2 plus 32 over 2 at square root of negative 19 minus 2 minus square root of 32 over 2. Kapag naman ginap siya, ganito yung magiging itsura niya. Bali, diba yung center niya ay nasa 0 and negative 2. So, ito na. 0. Andito yung 0. Andito yung negative 2. 0, negative 2. Yung vertices niya ay square root of 38 and negative 2 at square root of negative 38 at negative 2. So, yung square root nitong positive 38 ay nasa 6.16. So, nandito siya. 2, 4, 6. So, 6.16 and negative 2. So, lagpasan lang ng konti and negative 2. And then, yung another vertices ay square root of negative 38 and negative 2. Yung square root naman itong negative 38 ay nasa negative 16.6. Negative 16.6. So, dito siya. Ang 4, 8, 12, 16. So, ito, 16.6 and negative 2. Yung distance naman niya ay 0, 2, 0, negative 2 plus square root of 19. So, yung square root naman nito ay nasa 0 0 and 2.36. 2.36 yung square root nito. So, nandito siya sa 0, 2, then lagpas lang ng konti. Yan. So, ito naman yung another distance, negative 0, negative 2, minus square root of 19. Yung square root naman nito ay nasa 0, tapos ang square root ay 6.36. So, nandito yan, negative 2, negative 4, negative 6, 0, and negative 6.36. Then, ano lang siya ulit, connect. So, ganyan yung magiging itsura ng graph niya.
Exercises B. Find the equation of the ellipse satisfying the given conditions. So, number 1, given focus, negative 3 and 4, directrix is y is equal to negative 1, and eccentricity is 2/3. So, first, we need to graph and illustrate first para maintindihan natin, di ba? So, may focus nga tayo negative 3 and 4. Ang directrix nga is y is equal to negative 1 and eccentricity is 2/3. So, makikita nyo sa illustration, ito yung P, which is x and y. And this S is equivalent lang yung P sa S, and perpendicular yung S sa M, which is yung M is yung directrix. So, magbibigay tayo ng formula na PS over PM is equal to eccentricity. So, gawing cross multiplication, PS is equal to eccentricity, PM. So, gaya nga ng sinabi ko, yung P is equivalent sa S, which is yung P, X and Y. Ang X natin is negative 3, and yung Y natin is 4. So, yung directrix naman natin is Y is equal to negative 1. We need to write it in standard form, giving us Y plus 1 is equal to 0. Sa PS, yung PS naman is equal daw siya sa distance formula. So, alam naman natin ang distance formula is square root of quantity of x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared. So, we need to substitute x. Wala tayong value ng x. So, yung value ng h naman natin, which is ito, is negative 3, giving us x plus 3 squared. Plus, we don't have value of y, bring down y, and the value of negative k is 4, giving us y minus 4 squared. So, sa PM naman natin, meron tayong y plus 1 over the root of 1. So, dito naman, PS is equal, ayun yung formula natin, PS is equal to eccentricity PM. So, gaya nga dun sa una, yung PS natin is equivalent siya sa square root of quantity x plus 3 squared plus y minus 4 squared. Ang value ng eccentricity nga natin is 2/3, and yung PM natin is y plus 1 over the square root of 1. So, we need to square both sides. So, magiging x plus c squared plus y minus 4 squared is equal to so, may squared na yung 2 over 3, and may squared naman yung y plus 1 over square root of 1. So, to simplify, x plus 3 squared giving us x squared plus 6x plus 9, and square of y minus 4 squared giving us y squared minus 8y plus 16. And the squared of 2/3, so 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9. So, dito naman, ang squared naman ng y giving us y squared plus 2y squared plus 1. We all know that square root of 1 is 1. So, 1 squared is 1. So, given na yan ng 1, hindi na nalagyan ng 1 dyan. So, again, copy x squared plus 6 in the right hand, no? Dito, x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16. So, kailangan natin i-simplify yung dito sa right pala. So, mali pala yung left. Ang left pala is x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16. And sa right naman, sa right hand side is 4. simplify cross multiplication. So 4y squared plus 2y squared plus 1 giving us 4y squared plus 8y plus 4 over 9. So doing cross multiplication again, x squared plus 6x plus 9 plus y squared minus 8y plus 16 times 9 giving us 9x squared. 9 times 6x giving us 54x. 9 plus 9 is equal 9 times 9 is equal to 81. 9 times negative 8y giving us 9 plus y squared giving us 9y squared. 9 times negative 8y giving us negative 72y, and 9 times 16 is 144. So bring down 4y squared plus 8y plus 4. To simplify, combining like terms, bring down 9x squared and bring down bring down 9x squared and combine 9y squared minus 4y squared giving us 5y squared, and bring down 54x and 81y minus 81y so minus 72y minus 8y giving us negative 80y. So sa constant naman natin, 81 plus 144 giving us 225. So ang natira sa right hand side is 4. So we need to transpose 4 giving us 9x squared plus 5y squared plus 54x minus 80y. So 225 minus 4 is 221 equals 0. So the equation of this given situation is 9x squared plus 5y squared plus 54x minus 80y plus 221 is equal to 0. In the number 2, given endpoints of major axis are negative 4 and 3 and 8 and 3. And one of n of minor axis is 2 and 5. So, alam naman natin yung major endpoints nga is negative 4 and 3 and 8 and 3. So, ang major endpoints ay tinatawag din na vertices. And ang minor axis naman natin is given 1 nga lang, which is yung 2 and 4, tinatawag natin siyang co-vertices. So, kung ipa-plot natin, so, negative 4 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and sa y naman is 1, 2, 3. Yan. And naman, yung isa namang major endpoints, which is yung 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sa y naman pataas is 3 daw. 1, 2, 3. So, ayan yung vertices natin. And sa minor axis naman daw is 2 and 4. So, kung ipa-plot natin sa Cartesian plane yan, 1, 2. And sa y daw, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, remember, everyone, minor axis is perpendicular to the major axis. So, itudugtong natin yung vertices na yan and co-connect natin yung co-vertices dun sa vertices para magkaroon ng perpendicular. Yan. So, para mahanap natin yung center, alam naman natin yung center is matatagpuan doon sa perpendicular nga ng vertices and co-vertices, which is eto, bibilang tayo ng 1, 2, and bilang pataas, 1, 2, 3. Yan. So, ang center natin is 2 and 3. And, alam natin naman, hanapin natin yung value ng A. So, alam naman natin yung A is equal siya sa distance from center to the vertices. So, ito yung center. Magbibilang tayo papunta sa vertices. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, distance from center to vertices. Which, ito nga yung center natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, giving us 6, and ang B naman, so ang value ng A natin is 6, and ang B naman, ang alam naman natin, ang this is the distance from the center to the co-vertices. So, ito yung center, puntang taas, so ang distance is 1. So, ang value ng B natin is 1. So, to solve equation, we have formula x minus h squared plus over a squared plus y minus squared over b squared is equal to 1. So, alam natin yung center natin is equal to 2 and 3, which is yung 2 is h and 3 is k. to substitute x, we don't have value of x, so the value of negative h is 2. So giving us x minus 2 squared. So we don't have value of y. Value of negative k is 3. So y minus 3 squared. So, alam natin ang value ng a natin nga is 6. So 6 squared. And value ng b natin is 1, giving us 1 squared is equal to 1. So we need to simplify our denominator. X minus squared, 6. We all know that 6 squared is 36. And y minus 3 squared, 1 squared, giving us 1. So, the general equation is x minus 2 squared over 36 plus y minus 3 squared over 1 is equal to 1. To simplify it, so we need to do cross multiplication. So 1 times x minus 2 squared and 36 times y minus 3 squared. So equals to, and we need to multiply the denominator kasi ayun yung magiging LCM nila. So 36 times 1. So to simplify, x minus 2 squared giving us x squared minus 4x plus 4. And dito naman, kailangan muna nating i-distribute yung 36 sa y minus, kailangan muna nating i-simplify pala muna yung y minus 3 squared. So, stay put lang dyan yung 36. So, kung i-simplify natin yung y minus 3 squared, giving us y squared minus 6x plus 9. So, 36 times 1 is 36. And so, combining like terms, bring down x squared and bring down y squared. And also bring down minus 4x and also bring down minus 6y. Combining like terms, 36 plus 9 giving us 45. So in the right hand side giving us 36. So we need to transpose 36, will giving us x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y. So 45 minus 36 giving 45 minus 36 giving us 9. So the final equation in this given condition is x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0. So in the number 3, given minor axis is 4, distance between foci is 10, center is 3 and 4, major axis parallel to the x-axis. So again, the center is 3, 4, which is yung 3 is h and 4 is k. So the length of minor axis is 4. Foci is 10. And we all know that major axis is parallel to x-axis. Alam naman natin yung foci, distance between foci is given as formula 2c is equal to 10. So divide both side by 2 giving us c is equal to 5. Kasi 10 over 10 divided by 2 is 5. So c is equal to 5. So our focus 1 magiging 5 and 4 and focus 2 is negative 5, 4. So, ang formula natin, h plus c plus k. So, yung h natin is 3. Ang c naman natin is 5 and k natin is 4. So, sa focus 2 naman, giving us h which is 3 and negative c is negative 5 and k is 4. So, kung isi-simplify natin, 3 plus 5 is 8. So, the focus 1 is 8 and 4. The focus 2 is 3 minus 5 is negative 2. And bring down 4. So, yung focus 2 natin is negative 2 and 4. Oh, so, alam na natin yung dalawang focus. So, mag-graph na natin siya. So, yung center natin is 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3. And going to up, y is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ayun yung center natin. So, ang first focus daw is 8 and 4. Oh, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to y, dahil positive, pataas siya. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ayan yung first focus. Ang second focus naman natin is negative 2. 1, 2. Going up 4. Dahil 4 siya, positive siya, pataas. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ayan yung focus 1 and focus 2. Dahil horizontal nga siya, dahil horizontal ang center sa focus, ang formula nga gamitin natin is x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus squared over b squared is equal to 1. So, wala tayong value ng a. We all know a is the center of the vertex. And B naman is minor axis divided by 2. We all know that the minor axis is 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And C naman is centered to focus, which is yung C nga natin kanina is equal to 5. So, using the equation, the formula C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. So, yung C natin nga is equal to 5 squared. And A squared, wala nga tayong value ng A. So, i-maintain natin sa A squared. And value ng B natin is 2, giving us negative 2 squared. To simplify, 5 squared is 25. Bring down A squared and negative 2 squared, giving us positive 4. So, 25 minus 4, tinranspose natin yung 4, kaya naging negative 4 siya. And A squared. So, 25 minus 4 is 21 is equal to A squared. So, squaring both side para matanggal yung square ng A. So, magiging positive negative square of 21 is equal to A. So, kung sa standard equation natin, yung x minus, yung value nga ng h natin is negative, ang value ng h is 3, giving us x minus 3 squared, plus y, value ng k natin is 4, so y minus 4 squared. And the value naman ng a natin is square root of 21 squared, and the value of b is 2. 2 squared is equal to what? Simplify the denominator, x minus 3 squared, so square root of 21 squared is 21, makakancel na yung square root. And y minus 4 squared, 2 squared is 4 equals to 1. To simplify, x minus 3 squared over 21 plus y minus 4 squared over 4 is equal to 1. Doing cross multiplication, 4 times x minus 3 squared plus 21 y minus 4 squared is equal to 21 times 4. So, distribute 4 times, simplify x minus 3 squared, giving us x squared minus 6x plus 9. Bring down 21. Simplify y minus 4 squared. Y squared minus 8y plus 16. 21 times 4, giving us 84. So, distribute 4 to x squared minus 6x plus 9, giving us 4 times x squared, 4x squared. 4 times negative 6x, negative 24x. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. Distribute 21 to the y squared minus 8y plus 16, giving us 21 times y squared is 21y squared. 21 times negative 8y is giving us 168y, and 21 times 16 is equal to 336. Bring down 84. So, we need to transpose 84, giving us 4x squared plus 21 squared minus 24x minus 468y. 336 minus 84 is 288. So, ang equation ng given conditions na ito is 4x squared plus 21 squared minus 21 squared minus 24x minus 168y plus 288 is equal to 0.
Good day, I'm Tizian Ilagaras. I'm going to discuss exercise 2B. Number 4. We have here a center 0, major axis 8, and horizontal number 6. So for the given center 0, major axis 8, horizontal number 6. So for major axis, 2a equals 8. We're going to divide both sides. So 2a divided by 2, cancel 9 2, equals 8. 8 equals 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So a equals to 4. So b sub 1, 0, 4, and b sub 2, 0, negative 4. So for minor axis, 2b equals 6. So same process, divide natin both sides by 2. So cancel na yung 2, magkita na ng b. So b equals 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So our b is equals to 3. So b sub 1, 3, 0, and b sub 2, negative 3, 0. So, since mayroon na tayong a and b, makuha na natin agad yung, pwede na natin makuha yung equation niya. So, x squared equals 3 squared plus y squared equals 4 squared. equals 1. So, kaya nasa y yung mas mataas na number because based on the given, yung horizontal is your minor 6. So, next, so x squared equals 9 plus x squared divided by 9 plus y squared divided by 16 equals 1. So, cross multiply lang natin siya. So, 16x squared plus 9y squared equals 16 multiply to 9. Multiply by 9. So, 16x squared plus 9y squared equals 141. So, ililipat lang natin siya sa kabila. So, ang magiging equation ay 16x squared plus 9y squared minus 144 equals 0. So, for number 5, center 0, eccentricity 1/2, distance between foci 9, minor axis horizontal. So our eccentricity 1/2. Ang given natin ay eccentricity 1/2, center 0, distance between foci 4, and then minor axis horizontal. So 2a e equals 4. So 2a e divided by 2 equals 4 divided by 2. So cancel na yun sa kabilang side. And then ang magiging sagot na lang ay a e equals 2. So isa-substitute lang natin yung sa loob sa eccentricity. So a multiplied to 1/2 equals 2. So a equals 4. That will be our letter A. So for B, we have b squared equals 1 minus b squared divided by a squared. So b squared equals 1 minus b squared equal, divided by 4 squared. So substitute lang natin yung mga pwede na substitute. So 1/2 squared equals 1 minus b squared divided by 16. So, isi-simplify na natin siya. Magiging 1/4 equals 1 minus b squared divided by 16. So, b squared minus 16 equals 1 minus 1 divided by 4. So, b squared divided by 16 minus 3/4. So, b squared minus 3/4 multiplied to 16 will be 12. So, pwede natin siyang gamitin for equation. So, for the equation, x squared equals x squared divided by b squared plus y squared divided by minus 3 squared equals 1. So, x squared divided by 12 plus y squared divided by 16 equals 1 multiplied to 12 times 16. So, 16x squared plus 12y squared equals 192. So our equation will be 16x squared plus 12y squared minus 192 equals 0. So that's all for, and this is the reference that I use. So that's all for the discussion. And thank you for listening.